Welcome to our impact driver safety demonstration. In this video, we will cover the purpose of the impact driver and how to use it safely, the features you need to know, and how to operate it. First, let's talk about the purpose of the impact driver. The impact driver is a powerful tool designed to screw in screws, fasteners, and bolts with high torque. It's ideal for projects where you need to drive screws into tough materials like wood, metal, and concrete. It's commonly used by carpenters, electricians, contractors, and even people who just want to do their own things. And it's used for construction, assembly, or even just home improvement tasks. Before you even touch an impact driver, you need to understand some safety precautions. This tool is powerful, and improper use can cause injury. Improper handling of the tool can lead to things like hand and finger injury, especially from spinning parts, flying debris, or electric shock. If the tool is damaged, even if you use it correctly, it can still cause harm if you don't wear the proper safety gear, like gloves and eyewear. Always wear safety goggles to protect your eyes from debris. Wear gloves to protect your hands from potential vibrations and sharp materials. Additionally, make sure you wear closed-toe shoes and long sleeves protect against flying debris that can harm you when you're drilling in and drilling out. Now that you're all geared up, let's look at how to operate the impact driver safely. Always hold the tool with a firm grip and keep your body in a stable position. Never place your hands near the rotating chuck or bits while the tool is in use. Keep the tool away from your face at all times to keep away from any injury. Let's take a look at the internal features of the impact driver. Most impact drivers are powered by rechargeable batteries. To insert, remove the battery, press the battery release button on the slide and the battery into place. Inside, the motor spins rapidly with a hammer mechanism, strikes the anvil to provide high torque. This allows the driver to handle tough jobs and is the main difference between it and the drill. The hammer mechanism is what makes the grinding/tapping sound inside. The rotating chuck accepts various bits, which we'll talk about in just a moment. Changing bits or blades is simple. Put the chuck release collar and then remove the current bit and insert a new one. Make sure the bit is securely locked into place before using the tool. There are different bits and blades for various applications, such as drill bits, Phillips heads, flatheads, and hex bits. As you can see here, in the impact driver right now is a drill bit. The one that was just in there was a hex bit. And the one right next to it is a Phillips head bit. All used for different things when drilling holes and screwing in screws. Many impact drivers have adjustable speed or torque settings, which can help control how fast or powerful tools operate. This specific model does not have one, but if you do have one, refer to the manual to understand and to use them, because they can be useful for many different tasks. Now let's just see how it works. Make sure you have the correct bit installed for the type of job that you want, and make sure when you're drilling it in to provide adequate pressure. And then when you're ready, make sure that's going in the right direction that you want, and then drill it in. Not only can it just drill in, but if you switch directions, it can drill out. But still remember that you still need to apply pressure for this. And with that knowledge, you can drill in any screws in. And remember to change the bit if you want to drill a hole. As demonstrated here, puts in a drill bit to drill a nice hole, adequate pressure, make sure it's going in the correct direction, drill in a hole, make sure it goes all the way in, switching directions, and pulling it out. And that's a nice hole. To recap, always wear the necessary safety gear, including goggles and gloves. Hold the tool securely, never place your hands near the moving parts, and always make sure your bit is securely in place before you start your work. Understanding these features of your impact driver, such as speed and torque adjustments, can help use it in a more efficiently and safe way. By following these simple safety guidelines and tips for operation, you'll be able to use your impact driver for a wide range of tasks with confidence and safety. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.